Hi, it's Carrie and Sean from Owning Toronto.
And today we're in the Beach Triangle.
This is a beauty. It does need work.
Yes.
It's a Tudor style home.
Yeah.
But let's just start with the entry.
Yeah.
Your beautiful entry closet.
Big closet.
Large entry.
Yeah.
Everything is carpeted, but I did take a look under the grates and I could see that it's hardwood floors. So likely, floors have never been touched, which is impressive.
Yeah, so there'll be like some brand new hardwood floors under there, which will be fun.
Yeah.
And nice, so there's a fireplace in here. They've done this built-in cupboards and stuff. I don't know how much of this is going to survive the reno, but little things like this, boom, definitely keep those, right?
So pretty.
Yeah, make those work somehow.
If you take a look, you've got a nice window in the front, which looks over to your front deck.
You got a little porch to sit on and talk to your neighbors.
Yeah, and then I like the layout of this space. We'll talk about that in a minute, but this is a huge dining area.
Yeah.
Or you could make it an office or a den if you felt like you didn't need it.
Yeah, there's definitely room for some reconstruction in here as far as like where the walls are and stuff. Because you've got your linen closet. Who loves linen closets?
Everyone.
And then we're gonna go into the kitchen, which clearly needs a complete renovation, but what a big kitchen.
What color is this, Sean?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Oh, it's blue?
Yes. Periwinkle, maybe?
Is it periwinkle?
No.
You got me. Okay, let's not go that way just yet. Hold on.
All right.
So a big kitchen. That's what we were talking about.
Yeah, big kitchen.
A weird color.
You definitely need new appliances. Well, this one's actually, the appliances themselves are in good condition.
Yes.
But this hood range they need a new one.
Yeah.
And the cupboards, there's plenty. So do what you want. You can either just take down the cupboard facings and put some new ones on.
This is yours to reimagine.
Yes.
For sure.
Yeah.
And there's a little hint, when we look out the back window, there's a little hint to the surprise that's to come. Shh, don't talk about it. Okay, in here, a bathroom, a good sized bathroom. There's not a lot to love about this bathroom at the moment.
I don't know. I love the tile.
You would probably keep it, wouldn't you?
I would. I would make it work in the scheme somehow.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's just a bathtub in here at the moment. Certainly. I think, again, at the end of renovations.
These are like sundials or starbursts.
Starbursts, there you go.
Yeah.
So this is a bedroom.
Yes, probably it's the smaller bedroom of the two.
Yep.
My idea would be to open up this wall here.
Yep.
Into the living area.
Yeah, that's the living room there, yeah.
Right, and then make that other room that's the dining room and change that into a bedroom. Then you've got
this is more than enough space to do for a dining area.
Yeah.
And then into the back here for the other bedroom, I suppose this would be your primary.
Correct.
Again,
at this time, but you could make the other one a primary.
Yeah, the big one over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you've got another bedroom here, and this it has a little extra space here. You could put maybe a little desk office in there instead of like a little
playroom.
Off the side.
Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah, for a kid's playroom.
Whoa! And there are some skeletons in this closet.
A few. These people are hiding some things.
Jokesters.
Yeah. Okay, let's head downstairs.
Yeah.
So here is the basement, unfinished.
Large and in charge.
Yeah, it's huge. It runs the whole footage, or the whole
square foot of the main floor.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Easy for me to say. Anyways, your washer dryer down here for now. There's your hot water tank. They've got a little space freezer and a little work bench. But yeah, lots of room for imagination here. I think you could probably easily put another bedroom down here once you're done. And it's got a lot of potential. Okay,
so let's walk outside.
So heading out to the backyard. I really like this little feature. So this is kind of a garden shed, I guess is what they've been using it for. But, in the days of garden homes and laneway homes and things like that, great potential here to remake this into something.
Yes.
Yeah? Because a little electric heating in here. There's an address on it, 45A. I can't imagine anyone was actually living in here, but...
I don't think so. That would be a good question for the agent, just to get some more history on the place.
Yeah. And it has its own electric, has its own heating controls and stuff like that. So tons of potential. And then it's not even done. We're not even done with this structure
Not
yet.
even finished, not even close.
Not even finished. I mean, first of all, check out this lower garden down here. really nice. Very big green spaces, lots of good yard space to do whatever you want with it. Look at these gardens.
It looks like an oasis.
It really
does. It is open to the neighbors, but feels country-esque.
And check this out. So this is the lower portion of that structure that we were in up at the top. There are no stairs going in between or anything. And this looks like it's been used as a garden shed, this part for sure. Maybe a greenhouse, Carrie suggested. Again, just all the potential on it. Really neat little shed to have in your backyard. And this is your backyard. Buying or selling, owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.